1-1 から始める。Let's start about a very, very basic exercise about the regression models. So, Samuel, please fill in your height and your parents' height. So I would like all of you to fill in this form. So this is
fill all of them to number 16. Just a few.
maybe it is around 6. But you can see that from this result, then your people's height is highly affected by your parents' height. This is not so surprising items. However, from this you can plot this result, and then from the calculations, your height equal to 0.5122 with under article the summarized your parents' heights. Such kind of estimations, calculations can be developed. Then the same exercise will be tried for the trip generations and attraction models. Go to step 1, 2. Yes, this one is I showed some everything. So but I'm not sure that your Microsoft Excel installed some analyze data class. Can you see these items in your PC?
Yeah. So to have a recap of what you have done so far, if you read this Excel file, this Excel file you can find it from the folder part 3 up, and then you open step 1. So in step 1, you're going to see 3 tabs of that Excel: step 1.1, 1.2, and 1.2b. So currently you are in step 1 tab. When you press on it, so you see this data, which is having trip generation by purpose and trip generation by attraction by purpose. So in order to plot the regression of this data, first of all, you must ensure that the data tab, you have this data analysis. For those who don't have this data analysis, go to File, Options, then go down to the second last, Add-ins. Then down here, there's Manage Excel Add-ins. Then you press Zoom and check this Analysis toolbar. Check Analysis toolbar.
File, Option, plus, yes, sure.
Then when you press OK, you'll see this data analysis.
Then last part, manage Excel admin.
So when you press on
Analysis,
data analysis, you're going to search for
I can go data. Data analysis.
Regression. Then when you press OK, it's going to ask you the input Y range and the input X range.
Somewhere a little bit fast. Little bit high. Please later on.
Okay.
So many data. So if you PC is Excel is I would 11. Maybe this one. Why that is data analysis? Regressions is as same as previously.
And so when we go on, so in the analysis tool list, you're going to select regression. You can those who might be having a different version of Excel and you don't have this data analysis
New parameters.
add in, you're going to record another video how to get to this chart that you're going to show next. Okay. Data analysis. And you press on regression, then okay. Data. Then for input on the Y range, you're going to select from.
It's need to be not said about this how to use analysis toolbox. You can select labels. Check. If you check the labels, you can select from like. But if you don't check it, you need for 6. This so that the user interfaces check labels is better.
So for this one, for this one, we are trying to compare the trip attraction to work versus the employees during the day. So for the y-axis, it's going to be AB. So you select from 5, then go down.
Shift control.
Then for the X, we're going to select from this.
Before selecting this columns, yes, now I select the Y for the objective variables. I select the trip attractions to work. Then the what is the indicator which are most supposed to be related. Because this is the so-called employees at daytimes. So you need to select the column AU. So same as the font.
So to select all the data in a faster way, press the first AU5 cell, then Shift Control, then the down arrow, to select everything.
And before going to the exercise sessions, I'm not sure. The constant means the intercept of the regression analysis. A plus BX or just AX. In that cases, and for the regression analysis for trip generations and attractions, I prefer to set constant with 0. But anytime you can try later about the constant 0 or without constant 0. Do we have to select everything in that row? Step was fun. Yes.
Why am
AU, you're not select the ones are not
the Shift after change?
People like this.
Control a left down button. How they did. She can then scroll down.
Prepared?
Control down. You know, 6. You know, anybody. I stop the other way. It's more different. You should be music. Okay. Faith. Oh, emerged. Nataka kujua what you usually check. Figures zetu ziko different.
Be nearly same figure. You can go back to the graph.
Or mchezo fulani. Different.
I think it's going. Why have people put right now? Why have this?
Why in the X?
Maybe you don't know yourself. Going to work. You can go back again to why you need to put more in? But let's take a look. So yeah. Ya kwamba la
AB5 kama AB6.
AB6.
Na chini ni ya
Next. AB6. Just the default. Same.
unapo hiyo tunafanya ni
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Similar figures. Based on the regression analysis. And the one of the point is this regression analysis, including the not only one explanatory variables, 2 or 3 or 5 variables can be included. So you can try it, for example.
AB5 similar
Becomes just why is so
is a question.
so they're selecting these variables is reasonable. The parameters of the trip attractions must be and yes, you can see the intercept is negative. It means that there is no worker. There is minus tolerance can be emerged. So I can't explain it. So I prefer that intercept must be.
You usually put together.
If I were seeing this
Before me.
Is equals to shows maybe minus or
Eat that.
in a letter to different.
it is just selecting the one.
Usikiliza sana.
I finish regression analysis.
As you explain, can you numbers your so regression intercept negative.
Why? What?
It's actually it's a good thing. Shakuna any negative.
So you're choosing for define.
Positive.
If I go this,
Yeah, but
we're choosing for define.
intercept lazima issue negative.
This is okay.
If so, rather must be
The 0 or some. So if I have not chosen define,
My intercept
actually so to level
is negative. Suppose cheat.
But if,
choose from ethic because
if so, level must be
and check. This should be the same because yes, the human student is selection. Yeah, that selection to come up with you work on that. Yeah, it's okay.
yes.
I can say.
Longer time some exception. But anyway, from this results, based on the regression analysis, number of trip generation attraction pairs is defined, strongly highly defined by their some socioeconomic analysis for two work trips. Then their population, working population, the data must be highly related because of course you can identify. For example, if there is a CBD, then there's so many workers, so there's so many commuting trip also can be expected. So that is results, so that you can identify the what is the factors for the trip generation predictions. And I didn't show yet that I can see, for example, you unhide. Unhide column. So many column is hidden. Then the trips is there are based on the results of the person trip surveys. Car available trip generations and car available, non-car available trip generations also prepared. The socioeconomic framework. Socioeconomic frameworks also based to summarize by the car available populations and non-car available population also. Then finally, I go back to the presentations. This is the result of the regression analysis of the trip generations and the attractions, and what is the explanatory variables for the populations and the employment, students at the daytime at night times. Then the highlighted sections is finally applied demand forecasting details. So I'm really concerned about the very high value for the available populations. However, I keep it. And the importance of this figure compared with the new plans studies and new plan study showing just a very common common trip generation and attraction models, regardless the car availability. However, when I can go back to the modal split for the car available group and the non-car available groups, it can be the significantly difference on the trip characteristics among the car users and the non-car users. So I identified that it is a necessary. It may be necessary to develop the trip generation and the attraction models by vehicle availability. But this is a characteristic that today latest traffic demand forecasting model in this metabolic area. Then this page shows when you can't reach to the good result of the regression analysis, how to revise to the models is described. This is very so-called modeler specific topic. So I don't explain today's sessions in details. So such kind of auto-scared values is if such kind of auto-scared values, sometimes modelers delete it because it is not convenient for me. So however, in the report, no one wants to publish it. But however, such kind of techniques must be there and to make good conclusions. So this is the tips for the consultants. But I would like you to keep it. Such kind of if such kind of auto-start values is observed,